This video powered by our good friends over at Craft Holsters. More on them in just a minute. We're in beautiful Indianapolis, Indiana, NRAAM 2023. Gonna hit that show floor. Gonna talk to some cool people. Gonna check out some cool things. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel in the booth with Tyler, Black Rain Ordance.
Yes, sir.
BRO, baby. You got a 22 for us.
We do, yeah. This is our BRO22.
Well, we seen this at SHOT Show. Did it release at SHOT Show?
It did. SHOT Show was the first release for it. This is our starter series, the Sportsman. It's on a Hogue overmold they did for us. And it's our drop-in 3.5-pound billet trigger set. Our receiver, it's a 6061 receiver, 17.4 stainless bolts, and our 16-inch chromoly barrel on this version.
Now this is y'all's baby, right?
This is.
We're talking the receiver, the whole nine, machine in house for you guys.
Yes, sir.
That sort of stuff.
Yep. Everything on this besides the stock is done in-house.
In-house.
Yes,
Very
sir.
awesome. Yeah. And this is the base model. The Hogue, the overmolded, all the cool stuff you see here.
Yeah.
That's the base model.
Yeah, this is
where it starts.
This is where it starts, right here.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
But real quick, I need to give a shout out to Craft Holsters for helping out the channel with travel to NRAAM 2023. If you're not familiar with Craft Holsters, they make a huge variety of leather holsters for over 3,000 different types of handguns. I've owned Craft Holsters for some time now and currently have a holster for my Ruger Blackhawk on the way. So for your next holster, do yourself a favor and check out craftholsters.com.
Yeah.
But we do have some more expensive stuff if you're into that.
We do. So this one here is our executive. So this we teamed up with Wooks. This is our executive series. This is their micarta black. So you got that black on black wood here. We also teamed up with Proof Barrel. So this one has a Proof Barrel with the Wook chassis. Other than that, the same receiver, same trigger as the starter series, 17.4 stainless, billet 3.5-pound drop in.
Wow.
And our milled flash suppressor that we do in-house on this one.
Very cool. So let's check that one out.
Absolutely.
You know, the weight on that for the stock and everything else, not bad. Where's that overmolded?
Yeah.
Back here. Let's check that one out. Oh, that's lightweight
right
there, buddy. But the barrel profile also is
absolutely
smaller and everything on it too. But man, that feels great. That is awesome.
Yes, sir.
That goes to the side. So Tyler,
yes, sir.
Thanks for showing us that.
Yes,
appreciate it. That'll do it from Black Rain Ordance. Until next time, don't forget to change fire freedom.